Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then simply tap on the button with a square icon. And if you've got the gestures like me, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger on the screen. And after releasing, you've got the reset. So, of course, if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of those apps, just find it and swipe it up. But if you want to close all of them, just pick this trash bin icon. We've got the information that our device is now in optimal condition, so of course we can enter the recents, and as you can see, we've got no apps here, so it simply means that we just successfully closed all of them. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.